Welcome to the KK4 channel. Today we introduce our project, Let's Get Start, Revolutionizing Blockchain Gaming. First introduction of KK4 token. We also discuss the feature of KK4, upcoming projects of KK4, ecosystem of KK4, and our Web3 projects. Introduction. KK4 is a gaming token built on the Solana blockchain designed to revolutionize the gaming experience. It's fast, secure, and optimized for real-time gaming, making it the perfect token for the blockchain gaming world. Features of KK4. Gaming integration play blockchain-powered games where KK4 tokens take center stage as rewards. Staking opportunities earn passive income by staking your KK4 tokens securely. Airdrops participate in our campaigns to earn KK4 tokens for free. Web3 projects be part of the decentralized future with upcoming Web3 applications. Real-time gaming, immerse yourself in next-gen gaming experiences integrated with blockchain technology. KK4's upcoming projects. Our vision goes beyond just a gaming token. We're building a robust ecosystem that includes Web3 projects, seamless decentralized applications to empower our users, real-time gaming experiences bringing you immersive games with blockchain at their core. More decentralized features constantly innovating to give you the best of crypto and gaming combined. Join the KK4 ecosystem. The KK4 ecosystem is designed for you. Whether it's gaming, earning through staking, or participating in airdrops, there's something for everyone. And the best part, you're joining a vibrant community that's shaping the future of blockchain gaming. Web3 space. KK4 embraces the decentralized future with innovative Web3 projects, offering users true ownership of assets, secure transactions, and seamless decentralized applications. From dApps to NFT integration, KK4 is building a blockchain-powered ecosystem for gaming and beyond. KK4's Web3 projects include AI-based games, offering intelligent, immersive experiences powered by blockchain technology. Thanks for watching video. Don't miss out on the future of gaming and blockchain. Hit that subscribe button and join the KK4 community today.